Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to get to 20 level fast in Valorant. So Riot has introduced a new system to level up in Valorant right now. The system is called the AP point. And in this system, to level up, you have to gather 5000 AP points per level. So now the question is, how do we get AP points? So, in order to get AP points, the first way is you have to win one game every day. The first win of the day will give you 1000 AP points, and after that, for each time you play a match, you will get 1 AP point per 6 seconds. So that means you will get 10 AP points per minute, and if you win a game, you will get a total of 50 AP points. So now the fastest way to earn AP points will be to play Spike Rush. You can play a lot of Spike Rush games per day. It's a fast game mode. It lasts for 4 to 6 rounds on average. You can get around 5 to 10 minutes of gameplay for it, and you can receive 50 AP points per win. So you will receive the winning bonus easily. Also, by winning even a single Spike Rush game per day, you will receive 1000 AP points for first win of the day bonus. So this is literally the fastest way you can earn AP points. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.